Now we are going to explore the town or this resort, Santa Susanna. This is our hotel's. It's still wet. It means people using this pool. Maybe check the water. Maybe this is very hot. This is our hotel restaurant, bar. This is the view of Santa Susanna village there. Here's cocktails, pizza. Here's market, Susana evening market. This is stalls always here, yeah?
Yeah.
Summer time, spring time, winter time, and this the same, yeah. This is a nice can opener. Here you can buy a pizza takeaway.
Very nice pizza here.
Very fresh air, yeah?
Yes, very nice.
Very nice and quiet.
Not cold, quiet, yeah?
Most important, no windy, yeah?
Yeah, no windy.
We like to go here, like, but look, so busy, yeah? Or not so busy? Or this is just, are they waiting? Okay, let's go try that. Grill, yeah? We got a table. Very noisy here, yeah? And at this case, some warm air coming from there. Oh, look, what is that? Ah, this is grill. They make a grill from this meat. What are you going to choose?
Maybe kava? We'll do kava.
Okay, let's do kava. Let's go for kava. Somebody have a birthday. And you wanted to... We got a kava, bottle of kava, 20 euro. It's like 18 pounds, yeah. Maybe like 1750 pounds for bottle. How is it all right? Huh?
Like champagne. Tastes like champagne.
We order mixed grill and chips, yeah. This is, they've done this on the charcoal. Sausage, different meat, and here's burger. Oh, looks not bad, yeah?
Yeah, very nice.
Are you going to try now?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
This is beef.
Beef.
Very tasty. This is
Lamb.
Oh, this is
Beef.
beef.
What is it both alright?
Also right.
It's bad that we don't have any salads here, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you... Okay. Carnivore diet. Now we have 2 glasses of red wine because it's filled with meat, yeah? This cava not filled. Cava is better with seafood. How's burger? Alright. Guys, for this feast we're supposed to pay 58.65. It's like, okay, 50 pound. 50 pound for bottle of cava. It's like prosecco, alright, yeah. 2 glasses Grianza. This is a nice red wine, not just simple Tempranillo, yeah. And yeah, for sure, different grill. Lamb, beef, chicken, sausage, and also we have chips.
Very nice chips.
Yeah, very nice chips.
Potatoes
And
brown.
all of this 50 pounds.
It's good price.
In UK we usually pay 100 pounds for around, no, for this, no,
95 maybe.
no, for this, definitely for this, maybe you pay 80, 90.
85 or that. Plus including tips.
Yeah, because here not including tips. We just want to gratitude waitress and everything. Also, I like here they sell Grimberger.
Next time we try.
Olefay, yeah? No tables. A lot of children here, yeah?
What?
No?
Like something strange, yeah?
And everybody going from that side, yeah? To our... What do you think?
But I think very nice, yeah?
Maybe we can go to the seaside.
Tomorrow. I think
Diana, maybe you want to go.
Ahora sí, todo el repita conmigo. Así.
Diana.
no. Going
No.
on other side.
Very busy this is, yeah? Now we're going to the seaside, yeah?
Yes.
To check the sea. First day.
Just come in evening, yeah, around 6 o'clock.
No, what around 6 o'clock? We came
Evening.
7 o'clock.
7? Even
No, even
7?
more.
Even more,
And
yes.
we went for a walk and dinner around 9,
Oh my god.
because now 10 to 11.
Oh my god.
This hotel,
Anyway, it's our day. We're supposed to relax and enjoy this day, yeah? And evening and night.
look, they have new promenade. All here. You can walk. Very quiet.
Very quiet.
Now we can't see any sea.
Just tomorrow, yeah? Easter day, we will go to the sea, to see, yeah?
Do you want ice cream?
Mais non, plutôt, il est pas loin. Il est pas loin.
Reviens en arrière.
Им тут хорошо, если все, да? Какие ножки прекрасные.
Sabíamos una marca de llegar, ¿no?
Nice and quiet. 11 o'clock on night.
Very safe.
And also safe here. No criminals, yeah? No crime.
Beautiful time.
For me it's like summertime, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe it's better always come April.
April, May, I think it's not one time. You can go easy, yeah?
If no, you can come here July, August if you like to swim in the sea. If you, but like we are not, we doesn't care about how warm is the sea. Yeah?
Yeah.
They like each other.
Oh,
Some shopping here. I think bar still open here.
of course. I think it's till 12 o'clock.
Let's just drink. Let's just have couple of glasses of
Drink.
rosé. Very relaxed atmosphere. We decided to have 2 glasses of wine and we see some nuts here to finish our evening. This is Atzavara Hotel, 5-star hotel.
¿Quieren otra? Más humor. Amazing.
What is your day? Amazing. We've been just Clermont-Ferrand today,
France.
and from Clermont-Ferrand we come here. One day we've been France and Spain. Do you like it?
Absolutely.
But we've been through nasty rain. Remember?
Oh my god.
Very strange statue. Very small body. Diana, where are you going? Diana, are you going to your hotel? Yes. Because look, we are very clever. We use a big room in our hotel, but going always here
To relax in 5
for relax and have entertainment, yeah? Car park, everything in our hotel, washing, everything in our hotel, yeah? Apart hotel, but relax
in
this
another hotel.
Atzavara. And they think you are from here.
Flowers. A lot of greenery. How beautiful.
A lot of greeneries and cars.
Full of car parks, yeah?
Diana going to the 4th floor.
Third floor.
Third floor. Easy. What point to wait for lift?
What point?
My father used to live on 5th floor. Every day going up, down, and yeah, 3rd floor. Nothing.
We're already here.
We're already here. And they still lifting, or they still waiting for lift. Guys, now exactly 12 o'clock. It's so quiet here, yeah? We're just sitting outside, relaxing. How people have different life in these countries, yeah?
Of course.
And we have to work just to come here for a couple of weeks per year.
Yeah.
It's very bad. What do you think?